Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the GC Glide catheter for male users. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including the catheter, lubricant, and antiseptic wipes. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain hygiene. Finally, find a comfortable position with good lighting to make the process easier and safer for you. After preparing, gently cleanse the urethral opening using an antiseptic wipe, always moving from front to back to prevent contamination. Apply a generous amount of lubricant to the catheter tip and the first few inches for smooth insertion. Then, slowly and gently insert the catheter into the urethra. Continue until you see urine begin to flow, indicating it's in the correct position. Once the catheter is in place, allow your bladder to drain completely into a collection bag or directly into the toilet. Do not rush this process. When the urine flow stops, slowly and smoothly withdraw the catheter. After removal, ensure you dispose of the used catheter and all related supplies properly, following any specific guidelines provided by your healthcare professional. Maintaining strict hygiene is crucial throughout this process to prevent infections and other complications. Always follow your healthcare provider's specific instructions and do not hesitate to contact them if you have any questions or concerns. For more valuable information and other deals, please check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, consider The Simple Path to Wealth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.